How to turn on private DNS on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. From here, you can connect to Wi-Fi, view available networks, and manage settings for joining networks and nearby hotspots. Go to the current Wi-Fi network that you're using and tap on the icon beside it as shown. On this page, scroll down to the DNS section and tap on Configure DNS. Here, select Manual. You can now manually choose a DNS server. You can also add a DNS server if you want. Following these steps, you can easily turn on private DNS on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.